We need to. Mom, be serious for once. We need to cook. Dance time is over. What's up, my people? My team T baby, T booties, whatever you guys want to be called. That's another thing. I want to know what you guys want. We need to come together as a family and name this channel. What am I gonna call you guys? I like Team T baby. I get that a lot. People already call me my Instagram name, so might as well throw it up on YouTube. But I think we could do Team T baby or Team T. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. Let me know what you want to be called. What I've heard so far is Team T baby, so I think we should go with that. But you guys let me know. Tonight I will be cooking with my mother that is not here right now, but we are going to make salmon again because you girl don't eat meat anymore. So part of my dirty kitchen, which you guys have seen in previous videos, and my cooking, also don't mind my hair right now. I just got out of the shower, so it's just situation. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna be cooking salmon, some kind of veggie, and probably like some kind of new rice that we get. I don't know yet. I will let you guys know. But let me know, because I want to see you guys' pictures. I want to see, like, you know, you guys actually trying to cook them, if these are really helping you, if you like them. But anyways, drop recipes down below that you might want to know how to cook, that you don't know how to cook, because your girl cooks every day and I make all the healthy shit that you need. So we're going to be doing different ones, but I want some new ideas from you guys that you might want to see or know how to do, like I just said. And also challenges and different things that you guys, because I'm trying to get to all your requests and I see your comments and I love your comments. Some of them get a little R-rated. I have to cut those out. But I love your requests and your comments, so keep requesting things and I'm trying to get to them, but I do see them. So let me know what you guys like, but stay tuned for this recipe, because it's about to be bam. Alright, Team T baby. Catch y'all later. White rice.
I don't want white rice.
Do you guys want brown rice or white rice?
Oh wait, who's cleaning? I do not want to be in this. I'm gonna crack you.
Mom! Stop hiding!
Put that away.
No! Today we are cooking with...
God, put it away. No!
Come on, Mom! It's Dirty Kitchen Day! We're back with the beautiful Mama. Everybody loves Mama, but she be hiding.
You trick me all the time.
So I just recorded a video and didn't record. Okay. So we decided we are making salmon. Salmon, no, salmon with, I'm doing, Mother.
Yes.
Turn that down for a second. I'm doing white rice in the rice cooker, and my mom is doing brown rice and with stove, so we have both. And then we're doing a broccoli and mushroom stir fry with some carrots and some jalapenos. Okay, so welcome back. Excuse me.
She's recording.
We're in a show right now. Mother. Okay, it's time to season the salmon. So here we have, I've done a recipe like this before, but we're gonna do everything different. We're pescatarian here, so we don't eat meat around here. So our big beautiful salmon that we have. Mother?
Yes.
What would you like to season the salmon with today?
Well, just use a plethora of our seasonings. You pick what you want.
Okay, so we have a plethora of seasonings here. We are, okay, we are gonna use some onion and herb. Some garlic, of course. Garlic powder. Sounds good. Oh, smoked paprika for sure. Mama's peeling the carrots over here because we're gonna.
Usually I don't peel them.
Is that a carrot peeler peeling carrots? Okay, and then let's see, what else should we put on? I think that's good.
Wait, I think you should do the lemon pepper.
Oh, we're doing lemon pepper. Okay. Alright, so let's start with these. Look at that bee.
I don't know about onion on the salmon though. Oh wait, do I think you should do thyme, garlic,
Ain't nobody got time for that.
lemon pepper, a little bit of soy sauce, and a teeny bit of honey.
This is my dirty kitchen, Mom. Okay, so I'm going to now put some olive oil. A little bit.
I changed it. Then here, do
So our garlic.
what? Oh, geez, you had the wrong side
I
open.
had the wrong side open.
That's okay.
Guys, look what happened.
We like garlic. Just rub it everywhere. Just shake some of it off.
That's a lot of garlic, Mama. Okay, so I'm going to put my rice in the rice cooker. First I soaked it to get all the starches out. So you need that, guys. Okay. So you want to make sure you always soak your rice so you get all the starches out of your rice. Oh! Caught it, I almost dropped my camera. So 2 cups of rice, 1 1/3 cups of water for each cup of rice. So I'm gonna do
1 and 3/4 and then another 1.
So I need your little hands here.
Oh, I got big hands.
No.
Okay.
So
we're
we
gonna
are
put a little
going
lemon pepper.
to put some.
Wait, I need my eyeballs.
Okay, let's get those eyeballs on. I'm doing it right here. Okay, so
You have your green cutting board
we have
for vegetable.
okay, so cut mushrooms Oh no.
I was wiping them off.
Wiping mushrooms, cutting carrots.
Just take a rag. You.
That's how we do it. Say hi, Mother. The camera loves you.
Not gonna love my ugly arthritic hands.
Mom, don't be negative Nancy.
Stop.
Ooh.
Help, Daddy, help me.
We are in the process of wiping mushrooms. And, my mom loves the camera.
Oh.
You guys help me break the shyness out of my mom.
No, it's never gonna happen.
It's gonna happen one day.
What is the vegetable? You got everything. You got your fingers. This is how we're gonna chop straight down so we get thin slices.
Mama likes this song. I wanna be with you, babe. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, babe. I wanna be with you.
Help.
She likes the song, so we better turn it up. Break time. You love me. Okay, let's get back to work. This is break time, Mom. This is when we do dirty kitchen. Hit that shoulder ring. Would you still love me? Just be with you. Give me a run for my kitchen. She is so shy. Mom, it's dirty kitchen hour. This is when we dance while we wait for our food. Living lovely. Just love. No. Automatic. Okay. We need to. Mom, be serious for once. We need to cut. Dance time is over. Down here. Okay, so when you cut jalapenos, are you looking at the screen?
What? You want me to get yours? What do you want me to
Mom, the jalapeno, come over here. Okay, when you're cutting jalapenos, you need gloves because you don't burn your thumbs, you know.
Not just thumbs.
Your whole hand.
Ooh, that's spicy.
Oh, here we go. Shaking like that will make the boys say hello because they know I'm not gonna.
Oh God.
Okay, so we cut off all the sides and toss this part. And then we're gonna cut. Why did you get extra large gloves?
I have big arthritic hands.
No, Mom, my hands are bigger than yours. I cut the gloves.
Watch your fingers. Oh my God.
Okay. You watch your fingers.
Oh Lord.
Alright. So you cut your jalapenos with this extra large glove on.
I know.
So you can't see what you're doing.
Oh my God, don't cut yourself.
Well, I don't know. It looks like I can't see.
How come it fits me? Look at big hands.
There's no way. My hands are bigger than yours.
No.
Okay, so we're gonna do our stir fry now. And we have everything chopped.
Those are your mise en place. Say it. Mise en place.
I don't know if you could take it.
Say it. Mise en place.
Use your mise en place.
Your
Mise en place.
Your video's gonna be shaky from me laughing.
Stop moving. Don't you get your stabilizer? Wow. Okay.
Oh my god.
So let's make our stir fry now.
Oh, go get it, Mama.
Oh no.
Ah, I saw you dancing. Okay, so you want to put... You put your hard vegetables first.
Hard vegetables first. Water. Olive oil. Toss me a carrot, Mama. Oh.
No, you gotta get them.
We call this the dirty kitchen because we're Italians. We use our hands for everything. So we're just gonna throw all the food in there now.
No.
And the jalapeno.
Hard water.
So carrots and jalapenos first. And we're gonna season with the same You guys, my camera is going to die, unfortunately, so what I'm going to do here is saute the vegetables and then charge my battery and then get the salmon while it's grilling and show you the finishing product, okay? Alright, so we're grilling 4 minutes on one side and then 6 minutes on low on the other side. And then we have all of our stir-fried veggies here. And I'll show you the finished product. Alright, and here is our finished product. Here are salmon and our veggies and our brown rice. Say your outro to the camera, Mom. Toodaloo. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to drop your comments down below and let me know if you liked it or what recipes you like.